Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for January 24th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, we saw a nice bounce today. The Dow was up 112 points, while the S&P 500 was up 15, and it certainly looks like a breakout is imminent here. The S&P 500 hit a fresh new all-time high, but still failed to really confirm the breakout because although it traded up to that level intraday, it did not close there. It still closed within this range that we've been talking about, but it certainly looks like we could be breaking out of there soon. The Nasdaq, of course, did so a while ago and is continuing to climb. It was up another 48 points today, while the Russell was up 21 points. And this, of course, ruins this potential breakout to the downside. We are once again smack dab in the middle of that range. Now, bonds retreated today, down 83 cents, while gold was down also about 6 points or so, and crude managed a gain of 43 cents. Now, a couple of other charts to look at. One of them is really the futures chart you should be looking at, aside from gold and crude, and that is platinum. Platinum looks like it's on the run here. We had this nice retracement off this upsloping 20, and today we just breached those highs and are starting to run here. If we look at the weekly chart, it looks pretty good. And the reason why I say that is this. I know there's still downward momentum, but whenever you get a move, let me zoom in here so I can show you. Whenever you get a move to the other side of the moving average and you come back to test it and hold it, that is very, very positive despite this downward momentum. So I would expect platinum to continue to climb. You can see here on the monthly, let me remove these lines so you can see it a little clearer. Now we also have some downward momentum, but we have this potential turnaround. Now we still have a few trading sessions left in the month. Today's the 24th, but barring a major sell-off in platinum, we should see this continue. And if we breach these highs here, the highs of 2 months ago, then in my opinion, this has turned the corner and we're off and running. So keep an eye on platinum. And the next chart I want to show you is Tesla. Tesla is one car maker that's really, really on the move here and has strong momentum behind this move. You can see here on the daily. Let's look at the weekly and on the weekly as well. Now, the weekly hasn't even pulled back yet since moving above this moving average, but you can see that we're now starting to gain momentum here. That 20-period moving average is also sloping higher. I honestly believe that it can easily take out these highs here and continue moving on. Obviously, above 291, there is no resistance. That is the all-time high. Let's look at the monthly chart. You can see two very strong bullish bars here after putting in and confirming this bullish engulfing reversal pattern here. So I really see 291 in the cards. In fact, higher than that in Tesla in the weeks to come. So keep an eye on the daily chart here for any sort of pullback. Any sort of pullback, especially if it's into a support level like we see around 240. Here, if you look to your left, a lot of support in this area. A move back to 240 would be a great spot to pick some up for that move up to 271 and beyond there, or 291 and beyond. I think this one's going to continue to move. All right, but that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.